Here's Gracie, 2 years old, gonna do things I see. Okay, Gracie, hand Daddy the rabbit. Hand me the rabbit. Look down. Hand me the rabbit. Which one's a rabbit? Hand me the rabbit. Okay, come give it to Daddy. Hurry up. We gotta do it faster because we don't have a lot of time. Give me the rabbit. Okay, put it on there. Okay, give it to me. Give it to me. No, give it to me. Thank you. Okay, that's the rabbit. Okay, give Daddy the, give me the beer. Okay, give Daddy the lion. Where's the lion? Okay. Give Daddy the snake. Okay. Give Daddy the tiger. Thank you. Give Daddy the give me the elephant. Thank you. Give Daddy the monkey. Show me the monkey. That's the monkey. Give Daddy the turtle. Give me the turtle. Okay, do it fast. Now give Daddy the pig. And then before you give me the dog, look at Daddy. Okay, give me the dog. Hey, but do this. Here's the dog, okay? Hey, for Daddy, look at, no touch. Look at me. Look at Daddy. Hey, I want you to sign dog now. Sign dog for Daddy. Sign dog. Come on. Hurry up and then the video's over. Sign dog. You want to get, hey, if you want more, sign more. Okay, we'll do more.